This is our CNC flat iron hoop forming machine. High processing efficiency and high precision to ensure accurate product shape. Iron ring forming a circular or specific shaped iron ring formed by bending flat iron bars. Automated operation equipped with functions such as automatic feeding, bending, cutting, etc. Adjustable size. The diameter and thickness of the iron ring can be adjusted according to the needs. High precision advanced control system is adopted to ensure molding accuracy and consistency. Strong durability. Key components are made of high-strength materials to extend equipment life. If you have similar requirement, welcome to contact us.